Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well at home. So today we are going to do a program using the multiple F. Okay, using the multiple F. Now what do you mean by multiple F? Multiple F means where we have multiple criterias and according to that we want to take the result or we want to take some action. In earlier if else there was only single condition, but now we have multiple condition, and according to multiple condition we can if this condition true what will happen, if suppose condition 1 will true what will happen, if condition 2 will true what will happen, condition 3 will true what will happen. In that way we can apply multiple if. Okay, so we are going to prepare a program in this. I'm going to read the program. Write a program in Python where user will input his or her percentage and accordingly grades will be given to the students. The criteria for the grades are as follows. Okay, हमने करना क्या है, user will enter his or her percentage, means we will take the input of percentage in the program and according to percentage we have to follow the criteria. If student marks is equal to or above 90, grade A. If it is equal to greater than 80, grade B. If it is equal to or above 70, grade B1. If it is above and equal to 60, grade C. Above and equal to 50, grade C1. Okay. If above and equal to 33, grade D. Otherwise, the student is failed. Okay. Then how you will make this program? You have to start your idle. I'm going to write the code. For the percentage, I'm taking PER variable. Percentage is equal to, I'm taking in float. So I'm giving the message, enter your percentage. Okay. Enter your percentage. After this float you need to type the input also. I forgot to type input, then it is fine. Now percentage float input, enter your percentage. Now if you see, when user will enter his or her percentage, where percentage will store? The percentage will store in the variable PER. That means we have to apply the condition according to this variable. Okay, then I am writing if percentage greater than equal to 90, then colon sign, press enter. Wherever the cursor comes after the colon sign, you have to start writing there. You will not put the cursor here because it is in the block. मतलब ये इसका ब्लॉक है, तो ब्लॉक के लिए वो ऑटोमेटिकली कर्सर को उस प्लेस पे रखता है, तो यू नो नीड टू चेंज द कर्सर वट एवर द लोकेशन इट इज. देन आई एम राइटिंग हियर प्रिंट grade A. Then when you have second condition in your program, for that you will always use elif. Okay, we have multiple condition. First condition always start with if, but we have the second condition. In the second condition we will always write elif. Make sure elif and if it should be in the same indent will same position and block will be in the same. So elif space percentage greater than equal to 80. Then what is the condition was there? Grade B. So I just colon sign print grade B. Then same for third condition, backspace elif, again elif. Now elif ही चलेगा. elif greater than equal to condition देख लेते हैं 70 greater than equal to, because greater than मतलब 7, it above 70, equal to means 70 will also consider in this. That's why I put greater than equal to sign. colon sign, then print grade B1. Okay, now the next condition, whatever the multiple condition, we will always write with elif, but first condition will be with if only. Okay, percentage, what is the next conditions? Let me see, above and equal to 60. So greater than equal to 60, colon sign, print grade C, then elif percentage greater than equal to 50, colon sign, this is mandatory colon sign, then grade D, sorry, grade C1. Okay, then last condition is percentage above and equal to 33, that means grade D. So elif percentage greater than equal to 33, print grade D. Now what is written over there afterwards? Otherwise fail. Otherwise का मतलब I told you, otherwise मतलब what will be, if nothing happen from these condition, if no criteria is satisfying from this, then what will happen? That is called else case. For that you have to write else, ELSE, else. But याद रखना, in else we will never check the condition. Else what is the grade? Print fail. Okay, so here is our program. What I did in this, I just take a variable, you can choose any variable, and in that variable I put the percentage, ki float input, enter your percentage. When the program will run, this message will be shown, you have to enter your percentage. So percentage value is stored in the variable PER, and according to PER I have applied the conditions according to this criteria which is mentioned in the program. Okay, now let me show you the output F5. Okay, so I'm giving any name, say MULIF multiple if you did it. So you see, enter your percentage. Let me say I put 98. It show you grade A. That's fine. Okay. Again I'm going to run this. Say 75 B1. So according to the condition, percentage greater than equal to 70. That means grade B1. That's fine. Okay. One last case. In that way you can key whatever according to the percentage, whatever the block is lie, according to that is displayed. Okay, means block के according जो condition उस पे applicable होगी, according to that grade will be shown to you. Okay, so last let me show you. Say I just say 32 fail, because if percentage below 33, that means the student is fail in this. Okay, so in that way student you can apply the multiple if. Make sure this after, please ye program and this fully program write this code in your notebook, so that whenever I take the assignment for that, it should be in your mind. You can revise that also. Okay students, so I hope the multiple if is clear to you. In the next video we'll make one more program based on the multiple if. Clear? So watch this video and understand. If any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.